Let's talk about doctors today. So यार ये different type of doctors exam point of view से काफी important हैं क्योंकि ये one word substitution में आ जाते हैं. So I'll begin with the story, students. The moment you're born, you need an obstetrician. Obstetrician is a doctor that specializes in childbirth. ठीक है, पैदा तो हो गए. Now what about अब जो आपको problems झेलनी है? So if you face any problems when you're just a child, when you're just an infant, your parents will take you to a pediatrician. Pediatrician is a doctor that treats problems related to child. बच्चों की जो भी problem होती हैं, जो भी diseases होती हैं, that is what pediatrician teaches. Now, as you grow old, you might go out to play in some grounds. You might go out to become very mischievous. आपकी हड्डी भी टूट सकती है, so that can be a problem. In that case, your parents will take to an orthopedics doctor. Orthopedics is someone who treats problems related to bones and teeth. फिर जैसे जैसे बड़े हो जाते हैं, then we come to a very serious age, and it is quite serious because if you have any problems related to your heart, you will be taken to a cardiologist. So a cardiologist is a doctor that treats problems related to your heart. You might have problems related to your respiratory organs as well. COVID times था अभी कुछ साल पहले, and obviously we don't want that time to come back, but you can have these problems related to respiratory system, and if you have those problems, you will be taken to a pulmonologist, a doctor that treats problems that are related to respiratory disorders. Things might get more serious, तो यार cancer related problems हमें हो सकती हैं. And when we face problems related to cancer, we might go to an oncologist. Oncologist is a doctor that treats problems related to cancer. बच गए, survive कर लिया, then we get into that old age. So old age related problems के लिए we have to consult a doctor who is known as gerontologist. Gerontologist is a doctor that treats problems related to old age. So from childbirth to old age, I have discussed around 8 to 9 doctors here. Tell me if I have missed out on any of the doctors. Thank you.